Okay, class, hello. We're going to do lesson 3 of our whole number unit, and we're going to be looking at sorting numbers today. Now, sorting numbers is basically just finding similarities between numbers and communicating that to other people. Okay, so here, there's going to be 4 ways we're going to be looking at sorting numbers, and there's 3 of those 4 ways we're going to be using different kinds of Venn diagrams, which is something that looks like this with circles and categories, okay? So, in our question, we've been given a bunch of random numbers, okay? And we're going to be using these to look at the different samples and examples, how to sort our numbers, okay? So here, we have a category here that says have 3 digits, okay? Have 4 digits is my other category. You will notice that the circles are separate. They're not connected because that's the type of Venn diagram we're going to be using. We're using separate circles. The reason they're not connected is because this category and this category, you can't have a number that has both 3 digits and 4 digits. It's either a 4-digit number or it's a 3-digit number. It's impossible to have a number that has both and only both. Okay, that's why it's not connected here. So what I do is I look at my categories and I look at my numbers up here and I go, okay, let's see. So 3 digits numbers has to go in here out of my samples here. So I pick 679. I know there's only 3 places, so I'll put it in this one. For this one, I have to look and say, I have 4 digits. This one only goes with 4-digit numbers. So once again, I look at my numbers up here and I place them in this circle if they have 4 digits and only 4 digits. Now you're noticing the 25. You're thinking and you're going, well, 25 only has 2 digits. It doesn't have 3 digits and it doesn't have 4 digits. So where does it go? It actually goes on the outside of the circles right here. Okay, this is telling me that it doesn't belong here, it doesn't belong here, it belongs somewhere else. Okay, the second kind of Venn diagram we're going to use is one that has a circle within another circle. Okay, so for example, now this one works this way. There's new categories here, okay, and these were entirely made up, okay, and that's what I have to follow. But the circle on the outside, it says less than 5,000. For a number to go on the outside or in the inside circle, it has to follow this requirement. The number has to be less than 5,000. Okay, to go anywhere in these circles. To only go in the middle circle right here, the number has to be less than 5,000 and have only 4 digits. Okay, so here, these numbers come from the sample space up here. Okay, they weren't made up. I'm using the same ones. And I look and think, okay, well, if a number is less than 5,000, it's going to go inside a circle. Now, which circle? If it's less than 5,000 but does not have 4 digits, this is going to go on the outside. If a number is less than 5,000 and has 4 digits, it's going to go in the center like this number is here. Okay? Now, if a number is greater than 5,000, it's automatically going to go outside the circles like these 2 numbers here because it doesn't fit the requirements the problem's giving you. All right. The third kind of Venn diagram is when we have circles that are overlapping. Okay, so for example here, I have a circle here, I have a circle here, and this circle connect in the center. So this basically means that this circle has this requirement here, this circle has this category here, and if the number fits both of these numbers, I'm going to put it in the center to show that it fits both categories, okay? So this one has greater than 2,000. I check. Yes, this number is greater than 1,000. This number is greater than 2,000. And this number, it's in this circle here as well. Okay? If it's odd, it goes in this circle. And I check. Yes, 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 yes. 5,111 is the only number that's greater than 2,000, and that's odd. That's why it goes in the center. If you have a number that doesn't fit anywhere, you just put it on the outside, just like that number there. The last diagram, or the last way we can communicate how numbers are similar, is by using a Carroll diagram. And a Carroll diagram is this. Okay, it's a little bit more detailed. It's going to have more requirements. So if a number is digit, and these are made up again, okay? So digits add to less than 10,000, 10. Digits add less than 10. And they're odd, they're going to be written here. If digits add to 10 or more, and they're odd, they're going to go here. Okay, if digits add to less than 10, but they're not odd, they're going to go here. Digits add to 10 or more, and they're not odd, they're going to go here. Okay, so basically you just have to read over the requirements and follow the steps. This one are connected here, and so on. All right, we'll be practicing more of this in class.